Elevate your fashion career. I'm Crystal Lewis, and I'm going to show you how to go from flat sketch to the production floor. Okay, one last challenge. I know I said we were almost done, and I swear to God we are. But one last challenge is I want you to pick 3 sustainability tips or tricks, something that's either near and dear to your heart or something that was listed in the previous slides and listed here for your factory. So that as they're sourcing for you, as they are having this conversation with you, they can be thinking what suppliers they have in their supply chain that can help you with these areas. So please take a moment and fill that section as well. All right, so we've taken all that information and now it's time to fill in a tech pack. I've given you a tech pack template, but I'm just going to quickly click through and show you what a finished tech pack should look like. And again, take a moment and fill out your tech pack to match mine, or take a minute and see what a finished tech pack should look like and apply your design to the tech pack template. Let's go. So the importance of a tech pack is you are setting the standard with your factory. The minute the factory see my tech pack, they stand at attention and the conversation is very, very different. The tone is professional and there's an air of respect because they understand that I speak their language and that there's not going to be a lot of spoon feeding here. It's also a huge cost savings. I should have highlighted this in red. Huge cost savings, because if you just send a sketch and hope for the best, you might get a pile of garbage. But if you send a tech pack with very detailed, specific lines in there, then the factory doesn't have to guess what you want. They can just go straight to work with their suppliers and with their vendors and order the things you need to make your style. So it's going to save you time, and it's going to save you money and a lot of heartaches and stress, because you're going to get your sample back exactly the way you asked for it. And if you don't, you will have a tech pack to back what you asked for, as opposed to the factory just saying, we didn't know. You can say it's in the tech pack. That gives you some ammunition to resample if the factory makes a mistake. Then lastly, quality control. Once again, if you are not telling the factories how to do their jobs, then it's left to chance how they choose to make your sample. This allows for you to set a very high bar for what you expect, and it gives them that expectations laid out clearly in writing. So again, there's nothing left to chance, and you'll have a much better, higher opportunity to get your sample back correctly. All right, we're moving into the tech pack. So this is what a finished cover page should look like. This section up here is pretty self-explanatory. Your style number can be your own numbering system, but I use my company, 3 digits, and if it's a top, it's TOP, if it's a bottom, it's BTM, etc. And for the purpose of this, I did -WS, which stands for workshop. I always give them a brief description, front and back sketch, always front and back sketch. No exceptions. And then down here, if I want specific Pantones based off of the conversation that I've had with my factory, they will tell me either, yes, we can custom dye this for you, or no, you have to work from available fabrics. Then I list the Pantones down here. If they don't have the ability to dye small batches, then I will write available teal, available black, and available yellow here in this section. And we will see fabric colors laid out specifically in the fabric page. Now let's look at the BOM. The bill of materials is your grocery list. Essentially, the bill of materials in the fabric page, that is what the factory needs to order to create your garment. A lot of factories have things on site, but these elements here usually have to be ordered. So the thread, they most likely will have the thread color that you want. But if you look back, you'll notice that on the sleeve and here on the back neck, we have requested a very specific type of stitch and a very specific color. And so we tell the factory here what type of stitch we want, what we're talking about, the color, and where it goes. To dive deeper into tech packs, graded specs, and factory sourcing, head to Teachable now for the full webinar. If you're a brand owner or an aspiring brand owner and you'd like to talk to someone about how to get partnered up with Black Unicorn, head over to blackunicornmerch.com and fill out the questionnaire, and someone will be in touch with you to talk to you about how we can help you along your design journey. We'll see you next Friday for a snippet of segment 3 of the Elevate Your Fashion Career webinar.